are an environment that is available for you to come and invest in. However, your products will compete. So I just want to warn you that your products will compete with the best in the world. It will compete with many more products coming from anywhere in the world. So you have to be competitive. Now, manufacturing in Kenya is still not heavily, proliferated by a lot of manufacturing. So there's a lot of room for improvement in manufacturing. Now, the beauty of coming here and value adding in Kenya is number one. You produce here, then you can sell to East Africa, duty free. You can also now sell to the whole of Africa through the AFCFTA, so the African Free Trade Area. You can sell to them. And there are lots of traders here, a lot of people here whom you can also partner with. They can be your agents, they can start doing things for you. But if you feel that you want to come alone into Kenya and want to do it on your own, welcome.
My name is Paloma Fernandez and I am the CEO of the Cereal Millers Association in Kenya. I'm very happy to be here at the 5th International Indo-Africa B2B Investment and Trade Expo 2024. I encourage many more people in business to come and have a look at this exhibition. I think there are many opportunities for collaboration and for business partnerships. So wishing you all the best at this exposition and hope to have many more.
It's a pleasure to be here at Indo-Africa B2B Investment and Trade Expo organized by Mr. Jiten Shah. There are so many investment opportunities over here for exporters and manufacturers from India. So I would definitely recommend people if you are looking for doing business in Kenya or East African region or complete Africa, you will have to put up a stall here.
I wish there are a number of people who knew about the exhibition so that they can come and see how we can partner together with India and do business, because I think this is an opportunity in waiting and I think it should be exploited. There's a wonderful opportunity to partner and grow in business as Kenya and India.
We have connected to few people who are potential partners for us, and it is really good to be here. The arrangement was good, food, stay, everything was good with the expo. It feels like we have received few inquiries which are fruitful, and when we go back to India, we will follow up with them, and it feels like that what we have come for, we have achieved that.